गणेशाय धीमहि ॐ हनुमते नमः।
Hello, welcome to Adit 11T YouTube channel. Okay. This one is Asus X553MA revision 2.0 motherboard. Okay, in this motherboard, problem is first CPU short and IO is short. Okay, I have already replaced the IO. Okay, today I am gonna show you how to install a new CPU. Okay, this one is old and this one is new CPU. Okay, I have already cleaned the track. Okay, pad. Now put some flux. Now start the machine. Okay. Now you can see CPU has been fully placed. Okay, now wait for some times to cool it down. After this I'm gonna check the display. Okay, now you can see I have replaced the CPU and this one is the old CPU. Okay, as I have already told you about this Super IO. Okay, old one is faulty and this one is new. Okay, and its IO number is IT8985E. We have to program this IO. Okay, so first I am gonna program this using SVOD. Okay, now connect it to ground. Now it's connected. Now you can see. Now open SVOD2. Okay, yes, we need to set up date firmware. Now device is connected. Now select ITE. Okay, now go to setup, select the motherboard. It's X553MA. Okay, now check the ground. Now plug the power to motherboard. Okay, now plug the power. Okay, now flash the BIOS. Before it, read it. You can see it's read 89850. IT series detected. Now read it. This is the brand new IO. That's why I'm gonna my old file. This is the file which we have to put. Now go to write. It's writing. Oh, okay. Now writing okay, verify okay. Okay. Now close the software. Now disconnect everything and check display. It's coming on. RAM IO already connected. Connect it to this connected. Now plug power. It's on. Taking 0.15 ampere. Just wait. 0.16. Just let it come. Wait. Now you can see display is okay. Okay. CPU replacement is okay. This one is the old CPU. Okay. Celeron, Intel Celeron CPU and 2820 old CPU, and your motherboard is okay now. Okay. Thank you.